consider this experience of getting this machine was a very mystic one for me, because I went to this place where they were talking about this machine and I instantly got interested because of some brain issues I had in the past, and I used to get unconscious after every 4-5 years, suddenly one day. So since I came to know that it hydrates brain very fast, that was a kick for me to buy this machine, and I didn't know anything about it. Other than that I got to know about this machine at a place where I trusted people, you can say blindly. So I bought this machine, I decided to buy, and I didn't have money, of course. I asked my father to give me money and he point blank said no, because he thought who on the hell will spend 3 lakhs for a water machine. And since I also didn't know much about the machine, I couldn't explain it to him, but I was convinced that I wanted. So I borrowed money from my brother and I bought the machine. When I got my machine, within I think 4-5 days, I did not notice that then, but later I realized that my headache story had gone completely. I used to have headache because of this thing every second day on medicine, without which my headache would not go. So that was the first benefit which I received. And simultaneously there was some problem which was occurring in my body. I had a surgery in 2017 for my endometriosis cyst in the stomach. And surgery happened, and suddenly what happened was 3-4 months prior to that, I started getting that pain again in my stomach. And though the headaches were gone, but the stomach ache was there. And I was drinking the water, 8.5, I started at 8.5, I was drinking that water. Then on 18th of November, the pain was, believe me, the pain was so excruciating that every time in the night I used to pop up Combiflam, because otherwise I couldn't sleep. The pain was so much. Then on 18th of November, it was a total collapse kind of in pain. I was collapsed on the floor and my sister rushed to the hospital, called the doctor from the hospital. He came and he injected me for killing the pain, but he said that this is an emergency situation and she needs surgery immediately. My sister said I cannot take a decision for surgery. Thankfully my parents were not here, that is why. And I was treated for the pain. Then my brother-in-law took me to the top hospital of Delhi, to the top surgeon. He happens to be his best friend. He saw my reports on 19th of November and said, yes, surgery, without a doubt. It will not go otherwise. And I came somehow, due to some circumstances, my surgery could not take place immediately. He said we'll have to wait for 3-4 days. 20th November, it happened that my demo at my place was supposed to take place. And I was still confused whether should I keep the demo or not. But somehow I went and said, okay, mere ghar mein hi hai, so let me just go ahead with this. And my life completely changed after that. 20th November, I started drinking water of 9 pH. From 21st, without any medicines, I have experienced no pain. My energy levels at the top. Because of pain, I was always in low energy. I was going to work, but always my hand used to be like this due to pain. This side it used to pain so much. And throughout the night, I used to be on hot water bottles and with painkillers and all, but it was of no use. So after 21st November, I have not experienced even slightest of pain. No surgery, nothing. That cyst is not there. So it's a big testimony for me. And my energy levels are really very, very high. Seeing my testimonial, 3 people in my family has already got this machine. And it's a clear proof that with family, of course, it results that family get confused and convinced. Because they were seeing me day and night suffering. And when they saw me healthy, happy, and your energy level is so high, they immediately. So my brother-in-law there, bought next to me, he had a problem of ulcer since the time he was in college. 1 month of this water, his blood has stopped completely. And he is feeling very light, that's what he says, that I am feeling very light and I feel no stickiness inside my stomach. So of course the acid levels have gone down completely. And his daughter had skin problems that started improving. So this is my testimony. Thank you very much. I hand over to you.